Hi, hello everyone. Hope you guys doing good. If you are new to our channel, please like, subscribe and don't forget to share with your friends who don't know this. Today we are going to learn how to get rid of a cough fast. You can get rid of cough fast by any of these three methods. 1. Using natural cough remedies. 2. Getting rid of your cough with medicine. 3. Getting rid of your cough with fluids. We will see it one by one. 1. Using natural cough remedies. We have several ways naturally. 1. Use honey. Honey is an effective way to suppress a cough and soothe a sore throat. If you can, add ginger powder for quick relief. Several studies have found that honey is at least as effective at reducing cough than over-the-counter drugs, and is sometimes more effective. Honey helps coat and soothe mucous membranes. It can be very helpful right before going to bed if the cough is making it hard to sleep. It's good for adults and children, but do not give honey to children under the age of 1 since it could increase the risk of infant botulism. You can take the honey directly. Try 1 tablespoon every few hours while your cough persists. Another option is to add 1 tablespoon or more to a glass of warm tea with lemon. Some studies suggest that honey is as effective as a cough suppressant as dextromethorphan, an ingredient commonly used in many over-the-counter cough suppressants. 2. Drink licorice root tea. Licorice root tea soothes your airways, helps ease inflammation, and loosens mucus. To make it, place 2 tablespoons of dried licorice root in a mug and pour 8 ounces of boiling water into the mug. Steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink twice daily. Don't drink licorice root tea if you are on steroids or have kidney problems. The active ingredient, glycyrrhiza, can cause negative side effects for some people, especially those with high blood pressure. Look for DGL, or deglycyrrhizated licorice, at your health food or drug store. It is just as effective. 3. Try thyme tea. Thyme is used in some countries, like Germany, for a variety of respiratory ailments. Thyme helps relax throat muscles and reduce inflammation. Boil water and place the water and 2 teaspoons of crushed thyme in a cup for 10 minutes. Strain before drinking. Add honey and lemon for extra soothing properties. It may also help make the taste more pleasant. Do not use thyme oil internally. Use dried or fresh thyme. 4. Enjoy a piece of hard candy. If you do not have any cough drops on hand or would prefer to stay away from medicated lozenges, you can usually soothe and stop a cough by sucking on a piece of hard candy. A dry cough that produces no phlegm can be halted by nearly any piece of hard candy. Hard candy causes you to produce more saliva and to swallow more, thereby suppressing your cough. If you have a wet cough that does produce phlegm, lemon drops tend to work well. Hard candy is an effective cough remedy for children ages 6 and older. Don't give hard candy or lozenges to children under 3, as they could choke. 5. Try turmeric. Turmeric is a traditional cough remedy that many people have found effective for coughs. Try mixing half a teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk. You can also try turmeric powder and a teaspoon of honey for dry cough. To make turmeric tea, add a tablespoon of turmeric powder into 4 cups of boiling water. Let it steep, then strain. Mix with some lemon and honey for additional cough-relieving properties. 6. Gargle salt water. Salt water is used to help relieve sore throats, but can also help with coughs by helping the swelling go down and dislodge phlegm. Mix 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt in 8 ounces of warm water, dissolve completely, and then gargle for 15 seconds. Spit out the gargle, and repeat until all the water is gone. These are some of the natural remedies. Now let's see the other way. Getting rid of your cough with medicine. 1. Take a decongestant. Decongestants help relieve coughing by reducing nasal congestion and drying up mucus in the lungs and expanding airways. You can take decongestants in a variety of ways, such as pills, liquids, and nasal sprays. Look for pills and liquids with phenylephrine and pseudoephedrine as the active ingredients. Excessive use of decongestants can lead to dryness and cause a dry cough. Only use nasal sprays for 2 to 3 days. More than that might cause more congestion thanks to the rebound effect. Your body can become dependent on decongestants if you overuse them. 2. Try medicated throat lozenges. Try a menthol cough drops since they tend to be the most effective. These lozenges numb the back of your throat, restricting the cough reflex and putting an end to your coughing fit sooner. For moist coughs, horehound lozenges often prove helpful. Horehound is a bittersweet herb with expectorant properties, so it brings up more phlegm faster, allowing your cough to be over with sooner. Pregnant women should not use horehound. 3. Use a medicated chest rub. An over-the-counter medicated chest rub containing menthol or camphor should be able to hold most dry and moist coughs. These rubs should only be applied topically and are not safe to ingest. Do not use medicated chest rubs on infants. 4. Try a cough suppressant. An over-the-counter cough suppressant is best used for moist coughs that occur during the middle of the night. Cough suppressants halt the flow of cough-causing mucus and tell your brain to restrict the coughing reflex. They are a good idea if you need to stop your cough temporarily to sleep at night or for another reason, but you should not rely on cough suppressants for the duration of a cough-causing illness since they can cause mucus to stay trapped in your lungs, increasing your risk of developing a bacterial infection. These are the remedies for cough-using medicines. Now let's look at the last but not the least method. Getting rid of your cough with fluids. 1. Drink fluids. Hydration is important for wet and dry coughs alike. Fluids help to thin the mucus that drips into your throat, causing the cough. Any beverage is good, except alcohol or drinks with caffeine, which can dry you out, and acidic citrus juices and drink, which can irritate your throat. Aim for the equivalent of at least 8 ounces, 250 milliliters, glasses of water per day while you suffer from your cough. To treat a cough in children 3 months 1 year old, give the child 1 to 3 teaspoons, 5 to 15 milliliters, of warm, clear liquids such as apple juice up to 4 times per day to soothe the cough. This is in addition to the fluids they drink normally, such as breast milk or formula. 2. Inhale warm water vapor. Take a hot shower and inhale the steam. This can help loosen the congestion in the nose, which can drip down into your chest and cause cough. It also helps moisturize dry air, which can also cause coughing. At night, run a humidifier and breathe in the warm vapor. This method is helpful for coughs caused by colds, allergies, and asthma. Humidifiers need to be cleaned out regularly. Otherwise, they may cause more harm than good. Mold, other fungi, and bacteria can build up inside the machine and get transferred into the air alongside the steam. These are the several ways to get rid of your cough. Please let us know in comments which method treated you get rid of cough. And also, thank you for watching. Please see more How to Do It Right videos in the above playlist. And please like, subscribe to Being Indian and press bell icon for more videos. Please share it with your friends who need to know this.